on! What was that? Oh, come on. Keep driving! What do you do? Oh my god. Dude, you got us killed. Yeah, that's right. Dude, oh, no, he hacked. Oh my god, he's hacking, dude. Oh. I hate this game. No, no, oh, damn it. We lost. Wow, we lost. I can't believe it. God, it's my team. It has to be my team, because, man, maybe I just need some more RAM. Like, the computer's just running too slow. I can't stand this. No, I can't do that. I'll just go to Amazon, I guess, this time. Ooh, it comes with expert installation. I better get some. Go ahead and add this to cart. Alright, my RAM's on the way. Hopefully it gets here soon. Amazon. That was quick. Yeah, come in. You here to install your RAM? Where's your PC? My PC's right over there. Okay. If I remember correctly, I think this is it's supposed to go down here. No. What do you mean you think it goes down here? I thought you were an expert. Yeah, I'm the expert. I know what I'm doing. I think it's What's taking you so long? I thought you were an expert. Yeah, well, these things do take a while. Installing RAM isn't for everyone. 2 RAM sticks successfully installed. That'll be $76. Plus tip.